Fix what you can, replace what you can't. Fast.
You go ahead, young ones. I'll check the door.
You losing your edge?
Never! I got past the DBs at Settlement 5, didn't I? Not a scratch.
You were bleeding when you came back.
I cut myself. Shaving.
Mom! They destroyed the archive!
I saw. We have backups.
Of the data, not the books. The ones that Dad salvaged after Jacinto.
Hey! Everyone, get ready!
AD Shepard online. Potential hostile target spotted. Cease and desist immediately.
Don't let him up here!
Reload commencing. Investigating hostile targets.
Drop pods! Got it! Guys, trackers incoming! Tracker destroyed!
I'm out! Don't let them through!
One dead tracker!
Come on, the door's under attack! That's how it's done.
Reload initiated. Possible hostile contacts.
Fire in the hole!
Targets engaged.
Shepard destroyed!
Enemy targets acquired.
TR1 destroyed!
They brought trackers!
Unit engaging.
One dead! This'll work. This'll work. I'll take that. Oh, this is good.
job, young ones!
Oh, shit. JD, incoming wind flare.
Oh boy.
You promised me you could steal that fabricator without provoking Jin.
Ma'am, were you listening? This has nothing to do with a fabricator.
Then what did you do?
Jin accused us of taking her people.
Yeah, whatever that means.
I told you, both of you, don't make me regret taking you in.
Mom, you know she's lying. Since when do we care what the COG thinks?
When it leads to war. You three, get the fabricator to the power station and install the inverter.
You realize Jin's coming back, right? We need to leave, now.
Get the power back on.
Fine. Whatever you want.
You, when more cogs show up, sound the alarm. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, you always said this day would come.
Which is why we stick to the plan.
Hey man, can we speed this up? Raina's mad enough as it is.
Yeah, I know. It just keeps crapping out. This thing's been through a lot today.
Yeah, well, it can join the club.
It's almost done. Okay, JD, get on that switch. Okay, fire it up.
Look at you.
Guys?
Come on, admit it. You lost faith in me for a second.
Did you touch something?
What?
Something's out there. Come on. Mom? Mom!
Hey, listen. You need to hide, and then you need to run.
What are you doing?
Hey, you have to
Mom! Mom! Let me in! Let me in!
Raina! Run!
Oscar.
Mom! Mom!
Guys, that sounded like there were dozens of them. Hundreds, like a swarm. The hell, man?
Chaz,
Kate,
come on, let's get after him.
we have no idea where those things went. Look, Jin can help us.
Jin is trying to kill us.
Kate, listen.
Hey, you're not gonna be happy about this, but I know who should see that crystal shit.
Jin has people that can handle this.
Look, you know as well as I do
They'll know.
that he can help.
Who's Del talking about? Hey. Can he help or not?
Yeah, he can. The question is, will he?